Rocking around the Christmas tree. Rocking, 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 rocking.
Welcome to Vlogmas.
Let's go now.
Rocking, rock, 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 rocking, rock, 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 rocking around.
I don't know what's going on in here. Good morning. Did you have a good sleep? Welcome back. Day 2 Vlogmas. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yikes. I'm just gonna take you around with me. I'm not sure, this might actually go up the first day of Vlogmas. I'm trying to at least film a day and ahead this time, but I didn't film today because I was at work. That's what I do. I have to work. I'm a photographer, if you didn't know. So yeah, here we go. I am going to cut up the turkey. No. Oh, I'm cooking. Oh my god, I have like, fuck. Of course this would happen to me. I get a zit. I'm gonna go put some Chantel zit cream on top of it. And let's not tell her people, please. I'm just going to be like so real and raw with you guys. It's not even funny, I'm sorry, but like every other vlogger does this, so I feel like I should do it because I feel like then you'll connect, even if it's dirty, even if it's gross. It's not that it's not clean in our house, it's that it's just untidy, if that makes sense. Like, I'll just throw my clothes everywhere, and then like, at the end of the week, I'm like, look at this huge mess, like I gotta clean this up, so. Don't get me wrong, I scrub my toilets every couple of days. Not every couple of days, if I'm being honest, once a week. And I wash the sheets once a week. I do everything once a week. Sweep and mop the kitchen a lot more, but I only sweep and mop the living room and bedroom once a week. Is that bad? I don't know. Let me know. Okay, so anyways, now that we got our zit cream on, these are COVID times, so I'm just gonna wash my hands right now. We're gonna get the turkey on. I don't know how to cook. I feel like you probably know how to cook. I'm just kidding, I know how to cook, I just don't like cooking. Okay, here we go. Clean the kitchen. No, that's not it. Alexa, play new album by today.
Here's the latest album by For Today. Rent it on Amazon Music.
Alexa, play Today album.
Today by Radiohead on Amazon Music.
Okay, well, there you go. It doesn't work. I tried. Alexa, stop. Here's the cold hard truth about my place, okay? The stove is dirty, okay? It's dirty. It is what it is. It's dirty. We're gonna clean it up, don't worry. So anyways, I've got this on the skillet. All I did so far was just put this in there. It's this stuff from Costco, and I don't know why we get it, but we get it. I'm just gonna season that up with some garlic and then maybe some pepper, and that's it. And we got the ground pepper already done. It's gonna be real. I wanna add a little, oh fuck, no. I wanna add a little bit of these, but I don't know how it's gonna taste. These are just crushed red pepper. I feel like this is not the move for turkey, but we're gonna do it anyways. And whoever's like a food critic or whatever like that is probably cringing right now, so. I don't know if it's gonna taste good. It tastes good on pizza, so I'm like, you know, Maybe it'll taste good on here. All right, now we're just gonna let that cook. Now we gotta get the noodles going. Sorry, I'm not touching anything. I'm trying not to touch anything. Let's see what kind of noodles we can get. Okay, this month, we are gonna buy the proper things to store everything in and like really organize this pantry because it is just not good. And my friend Heather was like, yo, the Arbonne's having a big sale right now. So I was like, shit, like I should hop on this. So I go on Arbonne last night and I'm like, ooh, it's 20% off. Like that's unheard of, right? Especially for Arbonne. So I was like about to do it and then I was like, shit, no, I have so many supplements still that I need to get through. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Chocolate, this is almost done. But we've got 2 things of chocolate protein. We've got strawberry, we've got another thing of protein, and some more chocolate protein. Like, I'm good. I got 3 things of chocolate protein. I was like, oh, should I get some more vanilla? But like, I haven't even gone through it yet. Like, I don't know. Semi-organize this. Oh my God. You guys are like really, really, really in there. So me and Chantal, sorry, I drank coffee today and like you have to drink coffee when you're doing Vlogmas because you have to have that energy. So anyways, I've been doing too much talking and this is what always happens whenever I cook. Cause now look at my meat. Like, I should probably not have it on high, right? There we go. Let's put, oh no, we can't put the fan on because, oh my God. Is this what happens to people that vlog? Like, I'm so overwhelmed, like I don't even know where to start. I don't even know what to do. So we have this pasta, it's already open. I don't know how to cook it. Let me see what else we got here. We've got some gluten-free penne. I feel like Chantal would love it if I made her gluten-free pasta. I'm just kidding. She obviously would hate that. So yeah, we'll do regular pasta today. We've got these, I don't even know what this is. It says low sodium pasta. I feel like that's good for Chantal. So, let's get the pot going. I wish you could cook pasta in rice cookers. Let me know if you can. Or is there a pasta cooker? Because I will 100%, 159% buy it. When I bought the rice cooker, it was like life-changing. All right. Anyways, this is the pasta. This kitchen is so unorganized that I have been trying to find this pot while talking to you and I'm not stoned right now, just so you know. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. It's not COVID, I swear. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Do you ever just like sneeze and then a little bit of pee comes out? Me neither. This is cooking. This is cooking. That's cooking. I'm gonna clean that up. It's disgusting. I should clean it up. It's not even for me. It's like crackers. Probably was me. Oh my gosh. I think this is like way too high up. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna let this cook a little bit more, and this is the turkey and that's probably not how it's supposed to look, and then that's the pot. So why don't I come back to you when there's an actual update? So here's where we're at. All right, and please, 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 please don't laugh. And if you do, what can I do? I don't even know. Please don't laugh though. Like, this is so annoying and so embarrassing. Okay, look at this. Look at this. I was putting away Tupperware and this happened. And I can't even, like, ugh. I'm so annoyed right now. I'm so annoyed. I'm so mad because I can't even blame it on Chantal because she's not even here. So that really sucks. Look at this though. Got the pasta on. We got the turkey on. It's burnt. We know. We know it's burnt. All right, I plated the food. And now we are gonna do a little taste test on the camera for you. I've had better, but I've had worse, if you know what I mean. Doesn't taste that bad. We're gonna give this dish a 6.5 out of 10. Just because